This is Presley True HEPA Air Purifier, under 500 feet of cleaning the room. Let's give you a nice close-up look, see what we get inside. The air filter. As always on most of these air filters, please read the instructions, and it's going to tell you there should be some filters that need to be removed before operating. You have a power plug at least 6 feet long, and you have, of course, an instruction manual to go over. You can get replacement filters, and these are an excellent filter indeed for the machine. Looking at the top of the machine, there is some film tape that may need to be removed. It's a little difficult for me to take off. Over here, this should be your feather touch. On the back of the machine, which is underneath, over here, you got 4 rubber legs. There's an open and close. You're going to pull out 2 filters. There's a tab on one and a tab on the other. Notice the arrows point inward. This is the filter. You're going to simply just open this up the best you can and install it. One side's got the fans, one side's got the black, which is probably the purities of filters. They slide in, that is it. Once the filter's on, and you're not sure which way this thing came off, counterclockwise locks it, clockwise opens it. Doesn't matter which way it goes. On the back of the unit, over here is your power cord. We're going to plug it in. There's an audible sound. The lights come on. It looks like it's wireless, so we can go into the manual and figure out if this has an application to load up. I'm going to turn the unit on. You're going to have a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi setup. I don't have that 2.4 gigahertz setup. You're going to scan the app, add the device, and you're going to scan and long press at the same time. And you're going to load up. With the application, you're going to add the device. You're going to scroll for small home appliances. You're going to bring up the page right here. You have 3 air purifiers, air purifier Wi-Fi. You're going to enter the Wi-Fi name and the password, and then the unit should act up and acknowledge. Since I don't have old 2.4, this will not work for me. So there you have it, how to set it up. I hope you can continue forward and you can share this and run it anywhere you want, turning on and off your air filter with the old-fashioned 2.4 gigahertz. Grab your phone, download the app, Smart Life version, download. It has 2 HEPA filters on the sides. We place this anywhere we want, in a nice large room like so. And this will clean up this whole room with the windows closed in no time. It is very quiet. You can put it in the bedroom, living room, dining room, anywhere you want. We're going to run the unit, and please forgive the microphone pointing down at the fan so you can hear it. If we have the Wi-Fi hooked up, this would be solid and not blinking. We have a on and off button. And we have the timer of 2, 4, and 8 hours. And let's not forget, we have all these stickers that need to be peeled off. Let's hit the on button once. These are all the lights. We have a lock, timer, low, medium, high fan. It's a night mode, sleep mode, the filter, and the filter reset. The fan is running on low. It is nice and quiet. Let's put it on sleep. Let's get it off of sleep by pressing again. Listen to the low. decibels raise up a little. And bring it up to the top. Into sleep mode. You can hear how nice and quiet this unit is, and it has a memory. If I need to change the filter as this gets low in increments of 20%, this will warn me. All I come here is over to the 2 pages, press it, long press it, and it will reset. There's a locking mechanism. If I want the hours, I just press the amount of hours I go. That is the fan, the HEPA filters doing its job. Great for the indoors, taking the pollen out. When you're all done, remote control or manual, turn the unit off. If I want it to be on for 2, 4, or 8 hours, I could change the amount of time and have it run for that amount of time, maybe to turn on and off. Over a certain amount of time, these filters will start to go down low and give you a warning to change. It may give you an audible beep. The smartphone app is very helpful if you like to run it and use it. It allows you to control the fans, exactly what you see on top. They don't include a remote control itself. Some units do. This one has a smartphone app. So I hope this product, if you're looking to control it via your smartphone, plug it into your room, spring through fall, keep your windows closed when the pollen's at the most, this unit might be right for you in cleaning that room up to 500 feet, square feet that is. I hope you enjoy your product of the air purifier.